y'all, it's Tammy and Chris with Collard Valley Cook. We are going to demonstrate how to make eggs over easy today. The reason we're doing this is because many times we go out, if Chris orders an egg over easy, it's not cooked correctly.
We like to get breakfast, at different places, Waffle House or Cracker Barrel, whatever. And it seems like 75% of the time, if I order an overlight or over easy egg, the white is not done. There's not any cook on an egg where the white should be runny. And this is perfect.
Many people think that you don't flip it, but you do, okay? It is not a sunny side up egg. And so I want to let you know that the over is the flipping of the egg and the easy is the doneness of the yellow. And we're going to show you exactly how to make a beautiful eggs over easy. It is in our first cookbook. All right, you start out preheating your skillet on a very low temperature, all right? Because you don't want to overcook the egg. You want it to be pretty and white and not burnt looking. You're going to use a tablespoon of butter per egg. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our skillet. And my skillet was a little bit warm, so I'm going to bring it over here because I had it on that large eye for y'all. But I don't want it to be too hot when I put my egg in there. That butter already smells really good. So you don't want your skillet to be popping hot when you put your eggs in it. You want it to be a nice medium temperature. So you can kind of see where I've got my flame. And you should not rush your eggs to get done either. So you're just going to crack, let me spread that out evenly. You're just going to crack your eggs into the skillet. Now this is a Viking skillet. It's my favorite egg skillet. It's a non-stick, made in America. Wonderful tool. You're going to put your eggs in there. And the key is not rushing it. And what you're going to do is you're going to cook those eggs until the white has turned white. It's not clear anymore, so that you can flip it. But you want to do it at a low enough temperature that it doesn't cook the yellow, okay? So we're going to go ahead and salt. I always salt and pepper my eggs while they're cooking. And a lot of y'all will probably think this is such a simple video, and it is. But there's a lot of people out there that can't cook an egg, or they don't understand how to cook an egg and get it right every time. The key to this one is a low temperature, okay? And this is a great skillet. You can see how the egg just wants to move around. It doesn't stick at all. If you need a good egg skillet, you need to get you one of these. And of course you can go online and see what I use by going to our website and just clicking shop now. And this skillet is under cookware section. Now I think this is ready. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah. Sure.
So these are ready to flip. So get your skillet, get your spatula. So get your spatula underneath the egg. Flip it quick so you don't break the yolk, or yellow, whatever you call it. We always call them yellows. Bat yellows want to run a little bit already. And these were room temperature eggs, so they were a little softer than one that comes out of a refrigerator. So we're just going to get these out of here. Now, the best thing to do is slide them onto the plate from the skillet. And that way you don't have to worry about busting that egg. And they're going to be pretty. They're perfectly cooked. And we're going to take a fork and we're going to open one of these, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I think I'll even flip one on the plate so you can see what an egg over easy really is. Now, we only cooked it for about 30 seconds on the flip side once we flip the egg over. So don't feel like you've got to cook it for a long period of time. We're just going to see if I can do this. All right. So you can see this side of the egg. My fork just busted it. And I'm going to show you how it should look. When you get an egg over easy, the only thing that should be raw is the middle of the yellow, not the white. So the white needs to be cooked and the yellow needs to be runny. That's the perfect way to cook. Well, see, an over easy egg. Does that look good to you, Chris? Mm-hmm. Is that how you would want yours?
Yep, that's the way I would want it.
All right. All right. That's it. Simple dimple video. Good and delicious, if you like them this way. Y'all have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did. Bye, y'all. Love you.